Welcome to TNA Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most legendary performance machines ever built, the Porsche 911 Turbo S 2024. The 911 Turbo S is not just a sports car, it's an icon. Decades of heritage, motorsport DNA, and German engineering excellence come together to create a machine that truly defines speed, precision, and emotion. From the very first glance, the 2024 model carries the unmistakable 911 silhouette, the sloping roofline, wide rear fenders, round LED headlights, and aerodynamic curves that Porsche has perfected for generations. But this version is sharper, wider, more aggressive, and more technologically advanced than ever before. Move to the rear, and the wide stance, active wing, and quad exhausts instantly tell you that this is a car built for serious performance. The Turbo S has always been the top of the 911 range, and in 2024, it continues to dominate with one of the most powerful and refined engines Porsche has ever made. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a blend of luxury and motorsport focus. Premium leather stitching, carbon fiber accents, a beautifully crafted steering wheel, and Porsche's iconic central tachometer create a cockpit that feels both elegant and performance-driven. The 2024 model brings improved digital displays, sharper graphics, and a polished infotainment system that keeps the interface modern without losing Porsche's traditional charm. The seats hold you firmly yet comfortably, making spirited driving feel secure and engaging. But when you start driving, that's when the true magic happens. The 2024 Turbo S delivers explosive acceleration that pushes you back into your seat, going from calm to thrilling in a heartbeat. The twin-turbo flat-six engine produces incredible power, but what makes the experience unforgettable is how controlled and smooth everything feels. There's no drama, just raw performance delivered with precision. Porsche's all-wheel drive system keeps the car glued to the road, even during sharp cornering or high-speed maneuvers. The active aerodynamics and advanced suspension constantly adjust to keep the car stable and perfectly balanced. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the 911 Turbo S feels effortless, responsive, and unbelievably quick. The handling is where the Turbo S truly shines. The steering is razor-sharp, giving you confidence and feedback with every turn. The brakes are incredibly strong, bringing the car to a stop with total control. Everything works together in harmony, the engine, the chassis, the aerodynamics, creating a driving experience that very few cars in the world can match. The Porsche 911 Turbo S 2024 is not just a sports car, it's a masterpiece of engineering and passion. It represents decades of refinement, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. For those who crave power, precision, and true automotive emotion, this car stands at the very top. This is the Porsche 911 Turbo S 2024, fast, iconic, and engineered for pure performance. Thank you for watching TNA Auto Reviews.